morning. Welcome, dear children of class 1 A and B. Today we are going to discuss a new topic based on the water in our life. The topic is water in our life. So in this chapter we all are going to learn three main things like uses of water and the sources of water and next how to save water. These three things we all are going to learn in through this video. Now let's begin. Okay, now all living beings or all living things need water to live, and we every time wherever we need water. Without this we cannot live. Okay, now let's see the first its uses where we all use it. Okay. Uses of water. First we use as a water to drink, cleaning our house or wherever ourselves, even and washing our clothes, vegetables or anything. Okay, washing and cooking. These are the four main points that there we use this water. Now, from where do we get water? Now, the main source of water is a rain, and this rain fills the tanks. Okay, this is the main source of water, and this rain fills the lake, pond, rivers, tanks, wells, and from there we get. In cities, even our home, we get. What is the source of water? We think of tap. Okay, but from where do we get the water in the tap? From where it comes? We hardly think about it. Okay, now we all come to know today. Okay, now main source of water is a rain, and this rain fills the wells, tanks, rivers, and ponds, and all these are called the sources of water. These all are called sources of water, but the main source of water is rain. Okay, now in the cities, okay, taps at the homes. What happens whenever we put on the tap on? The water comes. Okay, now, but from where does this water reach to the tap? Okay, water from the rivers or the lakes or is first cleaned. Okay, but there are some chemicals, they use these chemicals and they clean the water, and then they pump to the overhead of the tanks, overhead of the buildings. Okay, and they fill the tanks. From there the water, the stored water is comes through the pipeline, or so we get water from the taps. Okay, now even in the people in the village we get water mainly from the wells. Okay, in the plain side, wells or the hand pumps. Okay, here in our hill areas we get water from the streams. Okay, these are the fresh. Okay, fresh water from the river or from the streams. Okay, these are the few examples. Okay, now storing of water. Why we need to store water? Where do we store water? Okay, now we should store water for later use. Now today you have this amount of water and you finish today. No, not like that. We need to keep for a later use also. Okay, now we mainly keep our water in our buckets, pots, tubes, and other plastic or earthen pot means the pot that is made up of clay, or clay means clay is a mud. Okay, now or earthen containers. Okay, these are the buckets. All these things, items or the vessels, they we keep, or even in our drums we keep for the later use. Okay, now we must drink. Remember, we must drink at least 8 glasses of water in a day. 8 glasses of water in a day. Okay, now that is why every time during PT period the pencil always checks your water bottle. If you do not have, you all are not supposed to play. All these things are there. Okay, that is the pencils, because you need to drink 8 glasses of water. Okay, now we need to save water. Storing water, I have already said, like we store our water in the buckets or even a pot or tubes, even in the plastic containers like bottles and all. Okay, now we should save water. Okay, why? There is no life without water. So we must use this water very carefully. Okay, like for example, you use your school water or leftover water will be there in a bottle to water the plant in your room. Maybe there may be the small plants in the pot like money plant and all. You must have kept. Okay, there you all can water. Okay, another one. When you see a running tap, running water, okay, you just need to tap off. Okay, wherever, whether it is in the home or at the school or any areas. Okay, now do not leave or do not keep your tap open while brushing. Okay, tap is going on, water is flowing all over in the basin and you are going on brushing and brushing, losing and brushing, not like that. You need to tap off when it is not in use. Okay, now another one. Okay, water is used for washing vegetables. Like after washing the vegetables, those waters are not so dirty. Okay, and this water can be again used to wash your shoes. Even all these things we all can do. Even you can water the plant. Okay, all these things are the ways and means you all can do that. Okay, now let's go back again. Okay, today's topic was water in our life, and we come across with the uses of water. First, only I have said without water, any non-living things cannot live. Okay, then we come across with the uses of water. Where we use? Okay, while drinking, cleaning, for the washing, and for cooking. These are the few points. Okay, then sources of water. From where do we get? The main source of water is the rain. Okay, then after the rain, the lakes, ponds, rivers, tanks, and wells, all this fills by the rain, and all this are the sources of water, and we need to save our water. Okay, I have said so many things how to save your water little bit. Okay, now main part, life is not possible without water. So this much for today. Hope you have understood through this video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy, and do your assignment or whatever you get through your WhatsApp group. Don't be naughty, be a good children. Bye bye, stay safe.